Hello amazing people. So you have a YouTube channel and you want to increase your video views. So here the solution for you. We do have an amazing Android app software super fast booster that you can download it for free and using it on your one device. But most probably you need your phone device or you are more comfortable with using your laptop on the browser. So software super fast booster gives you another solution that's allowing you to use the app on the web version as a VIP mode. And guess what? For $15 only, lifetime access, no subscription and no hiding fees, you can get your VIP access and you can stay using it on your computer on the web browser. And here how you can do it. So first of all, you have to download these apps for super fast booster on your Android device, and you install and log in, creating a free account using your one Gmail. So you can stay use the free app on your phone for free. But if you want to upgrade and use the web version VIP, so you need to push your VIP ticket from the Android app, and then you get access to our VIP app using the link soforsup.online. Okay, so after you push your VIP code ticket, you open the web app on the link soforsup.online. You will find this web version right here, and all you have to do is type in your VIP code right here, then you log in. So after you log in, you will find the same thing that you will find it on the Android app on the web version. So all you have to do, you need to watch videos and collecting the points by watching the videos. And as you see right here, we have the autoplay already on automatically. So you don't need to switch between videos manually. Everything is automated. So all you have to do is just keeping this web version app, switching or flipping between videos and collecting the point for you for free. So if you go to the dashboard right here, you can see we have 500 play, which means you can collect in the point for 24-hour 500 play videos, and the timer and the points that you have them in your account on the app. If you want to edit videos, all you have to do is go to this section right here, edit video link, and you click on it. So after you go to this section, you go to your video on your one YouTube channel, you copy the link, you get back right here and you paste in the link. Then you click on edit video just like this, and the video link will be get your video and edit it right here successfully. Then you click on this button right here, create advertisement campaign, to create your one advertisement campaign for the video that you want to get views for it. So you can simply selecting the number of the views, selecting the time for the video, and then selecting the video, and all you have to do is click on create campaign, and here we create video campaign for your video successfully to get video views for your video every single day for free for lifetime access. And here how you can use the web app beside the free Android app for super fast booster. So get your VIP access for $15, lifetime access, no hiding fee, no subscription, and you're welcome.